Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how you can change the screen auto sleep function. So at the first we have to open the notification bar, then go on the right side and tap on the settings. And right now we have to scroll down and tap on the screen auto sleep option. And here we can pick the timer. And as you can see, currently there is screen timeout is set up on the 30 seconds, but we can change it for the 3 minutes, 1 minute, or just set it up at never, and our screen is not going to time out automatically. And you have to pick up your favorite. I think that I'm going for the never, then just go back. And we can also adjust this function during the recording, so you can just set up on or off. And I'm going to select off option because I don't want to my screen timeout when I'm recording. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.